Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope student you all are well. Student, I will start here a new lesson which is about environmental pollution. Okay, the pollution which is due to our environment, it is called environmental pollution. Okay, in this unit you will read about environment pollution and the types of pollution, and in the end you will read how to control this pollution. Okay, student, we are living on the planet earth. Okay, why we are living on the planet earth, why we are not living on another other planets? Okay, because this planet earth is suitable for our living. Okay, it is suitable for living things because it gave us all the things and all the materials and all the facilities which we need to live, without which it is not possible to us for to live a healthy life. Okay, so more than 6 billion people live on the earth. Okay, more than 6 billion people live on the earth. The earth gave us everything we need to live. Okay, it gave us everything which we need. Okay, which is our necessities. Okay, so what actually earth gave us? Okay, so let's count what actually earth gave us. We cannot count, but we can only count few things which are the important things which this earth gave us. Okay, so first of all, it gave us air to breathe. Okay, air is present around us. Okay, air is present around us. It is important for our breathing. Why it is important for our breathing? Because air, it is actually a mixture of gases in which different gases are present, in which oxygen is present, carbon dioxide is present, nitrogen is present, argon and different other gases are present in trace amount, in very little amount. And this oxygen which is present in this air, it is important for our breathing. Okay, without oxygen we cannot take a breath. Okay, without oxygen we cannot live. And also carbon dioxide, it is important because carbon dioxide, plant use this carbon dioxide to make food, and they release oxygen which is important for us. So it's mean this earth gave us air which is important for us. Second thing, food to eat. From where we get this food? We get our food from the earth. Okay, because plants, they are present on the earth, and from plants we get our food. So earth gave us food. It gave us a suitable condition for the plants, where plants grow and make food. Okay, so this earth gave us food. And the third thing is water. Water, you know very well, 3/4 of our body, it is made up of water. So water is again very very important. Without water we cannot survive. Okay, and other things, this earth also provide other things. They gave us material for our cloth and for building our houses. Okay, so these all are the things which this earth gave us. The number of people living on the earth is increasing. In order to fill the need of all people, farmers are trying to grow more and more crops. Trees are being cut down to build houses and road. New factories and industries are being built. All these things are having a very bad effect on the earth. Okay, student, we know as population increases, their requirements are increases. To fulfill these requirements, farmers, they cut plants and they use the area where plants are present to build factories, to build houses. So when we cut these plants which give us oxygen and which give us a healthy environment, when we cut these plants, then it has a bad effect. Okay, it will cause a bad effect on our life. Okay, on our life. Okay, students, in next topic, in next lesson, I will give you detail about the importance of plant.